Hello everyone, welcome to this channel of Temple Tech, and my question is, what if you could employ software to help you in your work duties? How much time and energy would you save? In this tutorial, we'll be revealing a secret of using Justify or text wrap, as it is called in Excel, when typing text in Excel, just to get it nicely aligned in a paragraph, so that it will be easier to read. As you can see for us here, we typed a text and the text has gone overflow. So when reading it, it's a bit hectic because you have to scroll to read it. And that's it's not nicely wrapped in a paragraph. So what would you do in Excel when you want to get your sentences in a nicely paragraph that is easier to read? You have three methods. So the first method, you just come, click on the sentence that you have, and then select the sentence to the place to the point that you want to copy it. And just copy. Assume I wanted my paragraph to reach that place. Then you come again and repeat the same thing from the place where from the other sentence that is left. Where I'm going here, you just copy it, come click on the next cell and paste it. As you can see, I can now read my sentence in a paragraph, but as you can agree with me, that method is hectic. Assume I had a whole lot of sentences in all these rows. How will I go cutting it, copying it, and then coming and paste it? That's a bit hectic. So let's look at method 2. So for method 2, we have something called text box in Excel. You just it's here. You click on home. You click on insert, and then it's here, text box. So what you just click that text box, and the text box will appear. Then you drag it, align it nicely the way you want your sentence to be. And then you come to the sentence that you had earlier, that you had texted, paste it just like that. As you can see, my text is already aligned nicely in a paragraph that I can just read without scrolling. Or instead of you typing a sentence on another place and then going and copying it, you just come and click the text box. You click the text box, you align nicely the way you want it. And just click on that text box and you type your sentences just like that, and it will be nicely put in a paragraph, as you can see the way I've done it there. All right, so there is method 3 also, where you can type your sentence and just start click. You come and click, and then you drag. Assume I wanted my paragraph to reach this point, so I'll just come. Sorry, I want it that way. My sentence has been nicely wrapped in a paragraph, just like that. So those are the 3 methods that you can use in Excel to put your sentence nicely together. And I can say method 2 and method 3 is very easy for me. So I don't know about you. Comment below and say which method is easier for you. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Kindly subscribe and share this channel, and God bless.